Everybody just yells and screams at each other. Nobody thinks what it's like to be the other guy. It was me dying on the sidewalk, you'd walk right over me. My mother always tells me to smile and put on a happy face. She told me I had a purpose to bring laughter and joy to the world. I'm just trying to make people laugh.
Is that like funny, asshole?
When you bring me out, can you introduce me as Joker? Everybody is awful these days. Knock, knock. It's enough to make anyone crazy.
So much. This one.
Do you watch the Murray Franklin show? Yeah. I'll be on tonight. What do you get? Cross a mentally ill loner with a society that abandons him and treats him like trash! Get what you fucking deserve!
Did this to start a movement, to become a symbol?
Come on, Murray. Do I look like the kind of clown that could start a movement?